Have you ever left your pet alone at home and wish you could see what they were up to? Have you ever been away from home and wish you could remember if you closed the sliding door? Have you ever wished you could check to make sure you turned off the stovetop? You already have your trusted Roomba in all of these places. Roomba navigates your entire house to keep your home clean. If only it could help you keep a closer eye on your home. Well, now you can. Introducing Roomba Secure. For $30, you can buy this add-on kit that comes with an app that lets you remote control the robot and keep an eye on your home with the integrated camera. The Roomba already has an intelligent vacuum system. It's got a robust body that won't break. It also has a drivetrain capable of navigating your entire home. But it's missing a remote control mode, so you can go to a specific part of your home on demand or follow your pet around. And of course, it's missing a camera, so you can actually check stuff out. Worry no more. Roomba Secure is here for you. Our team of engineers has been hard at work to make this dream a reality. We've also made it really easy to assemble. After taking the top off, screw in 4 standoffs. Then, mount the plate with 4 screws. And lastly, plug in the cables to the serial port of the Roomba, and that's it! You've got yourself a Roomba Secure. Roomba Secure does not interfere with normal Roomba operations. As you can see here, it still cleans your floors. To do this, we designed a raised platform on top of which all the electronics sit. Now let's take a look at the companion web app that enables the remote control functionality. The user gets a live feed of the camera and buttons to navigate throughout the home. Now let's see it in action. Lastly, we'll take a look at the camera tilt feature. If there's a door lock that's just slightly out of the camera's field of view, you can tilt the camera up and rest assured you've locked the door. Get your Roomba Secure now to keep home closer. Just $30 turns your existing robot vacuum into the ultimate security camera.